Hello creative people. Welcome back to our channel, where the magic of watercolor comes to life. Today we have a very special tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to paint wildflowers quickly and easily. Today we're going to capture that essence in a painting that anyone can do, regardless of their skill level. If you like the theme, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot. My name is Norma Corrado. The colors and materials used are in the video description. Let's start by putting 3 separate dots of paint on the paper. Wash the brush a little and pull each dot to form a petal. Use delicate brush strokes to define the petals. This is the time to be creative and let your personality shine through in the painting. While the first flower dries, let's start another flower. Again, we will make 3 separate dots. Remove the excess paint from the brush and gently pull the petals. Don't worry about the details. The important thing is to capture the basic shape and position of the petals. Now that the first flower has dried a little, let's make the other petals. To do this, we will make 3 more dots in the blank areas. Pull the dots to form petals. You can make a flower with 6 or 5 petals. It's up to you. In the center of the flower, make small dots to represent the center. We will make 2 more flowers to improve the composition of the floral arrangement. I teach the technique for this flower and other flowers in my book, Watercolor Flowers, without the use of sketches. The book is for sale on Amazon. The link to purchase is in the video description. At the base of each flower, put a little green paint and pull the stem. Now make the leaves. Place them wherever you think they look best. Unleash your creativity and add the details you want. Here is our finished wildflower arrangement. Notice how the colors blend smoothly and the details bring the painting to life. A true work of art to decorate any space. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own watercolor flowers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Share your paintings with me on Instagram. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you next time and keep creating. Thank you very much. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.